Advertising is Simple is a full-service advertising agency located in Wilmington, Delaware. We specialize in internet, television, and radio advertising. See what some of our clients have to say about us.
Hey, I'm Irene Sacalato. I am a photographer, mainly nature, specializing in wildlife. I conduct a number of photo workshops throughout the country. I've just needed help getting my name out there to get more people in my programs and my workshops, pick up more Zoom programs for camera clubs and things like that. One of the things, if I had any problems with, say, the website, or you've been making things more secure, etc., and I've had to deal with other people in terms of keeping that website going and looking the way it does. Basically, I needed to boost my presence on the web. I travel a lot. I am not up on all the technology, etc., and so using you all has been a big help, particularly like when I travel. My ads still get out there, my boosts still get out there on Facebook. That all is an assistance, and also you help with like reviewing, say if I put out a newsletter with some good features about it or not so good features, etc. It's been easy. It's a good relationship. I feel comfortable with you. I feel comfortable with the other folks that you connect me with if I need to be connected with somebody else. So it has not been intimidating, and that's a good thing. I think just the collaboration, the fact that we can discuss issues back and forth, brainstorm. Personally, they're easy to work with. I've been approached by other people for like improving the web and everything else, and I don't trust them. I trust you all. So I think the trust, you've shown it. You've demonstrated trust, and I think that's really important. You've done what I've asked, and you've come up with ideas to help improve things. So I'm happy.